Hi, hello, myself Raghavendra. I'm Raghavendra. Uh, I'm a UI developer. I'm having 8 years of experience. So based upon my knowledge and experience, I want to explore more concepts related to the UI development through this YouTube platform. So the main motto to make these videos means to explore the UI development, the taste of UI development. Everybody should experience. So who have some zeal to learn the UI technologies, you can follow my YouTube videos and you can subscribe my videos daily regular on regular basis. All the videos will be available. So first of all, I just want to go with the basics of UI development, that is HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. So in these three internet tools, everybody should learn to get a good grip to work on different types of JS frameworks like Angular, React, Node, Express, or anything, any JS framework. To work on any JS framework, everybody should learn JavaScript well. First of all, learn the JavaScript, and along with that, you can learn HTML5, CSS3 also. So based upon that, you people can work very uh, well. Anybody can do the work well if you learn these basic things. So just I'm going to explore the first thing. JavaScript is the main important one in the UI development. So just I'm going to explore JavaScript concepts. Uh, in the practical oriented, I will teach. I will discuss. I will mention each and every topic well in the understandable way. So let's discuss about the specifications of JavaScript and HTML5 and CSS3. So HTML5 is the skeleton structure of a web application, and it will give the view, and model is the stylish beautification of a web application. Using CSS, we can implement that, and JavaScript, it is the dynamic responsive. It can handle dynamic requirements. You can implement the dynamic requirements for the web application, like HTML5 CSS3 is the static one, but it will have no any um, running of data. But using JavaScript, if you have added JavaScript to the web application, and it will be considered as a dynamic application. So in the same way, just we can learn this JavaScript as a primary one. So I'm going to start the topics first of all, and the first topic I'm going to give a basic one, that is consoling. The consoling is the main, and consoling is the heart of a JavaScript programming language. So this is the dynamic programming language. So for every variable, and if you have created a variable, for every variable and for every variable name, there is a value, and inside that there is some functionality, and we will write different types of methods by creation of variable and variable names. So we can uh, we can we can access those values, those particular values, either if it is object or arrays, or any variable values, like variable names, like variables like let constant, let constant. These are variables, and those are when we have declared that variable, For that, as a container of a value, we will give a name like x. Let x equal to 100. Like in the same way, that 100 is the value for x, and that a variable name will holds the name as a container. So inside that we can access anywhere in the whole of the application. So is in the same way, we can access objects, so using this console. So we have a very powerful um, a resource in the JavaScript is console. So without consoling of programming of JavaScript, it is not possible. So coming to other languages, in Python, print print off, we will use the print off. So as in the same way, JavaScript, system dot println of that variables or whatever the variables we have declared in the those variable values will be accessed in Java. So like that in other programming, so for every specific programming, there is some consoling techniques are there. So as in the same way, JavaScript has consoling technique, and that is console log. So using this console, we can access a number. We can log a number. We can log a number, and we can log a string, and we can log multiple values in the same console. You can log multiple multiple values, and similarly, we can log a variable. We can log uh, log a variable, and we can log a variable, and we can uh, console the error symbol and warning symbol. We can log error symbol and warning symbol using this console. Error error there is a symbol. If you got any error, the using that symbol, you can identify that we got an error, we got a bug in the programming. So we can check with that symbol. So we can access using these methods, like error is the method. Error is the method. Console dot error will write, that is a method method keyword, and warning is the one method. Warning is the one method. So we can access the symbols using this console. So in the same way, we can access objects. We can access objects. We can log an object. Log an object as a table or table. We can log an object in two different ways. One way is a suggestible way, and one way is not suggestible way. But it is anyhow, for testing purpose we can use one way. Um, for it is a temporary. For temporary purpose only, we will use one method of logging an object, and that is we can use a group of console commands we have. So we'll mention those things, console commands, and we can add css to logs. we can access the CSS elements also. Once we have implement a style, that style has a number of elements. We have CSS elements we have mentioned. Those CSS styling elements we can access in the console log. So adding of CSS to logs. Okay, these are the things we can do using these consoles. And the first, the basic one is logging a number, like console dot log of x, sorry, 100 is the number we have, and we can access this. Yes, we just forgot to go in live, so let's just wait for that. And after that we can, um, we have selected console log of consoling of JavaScript. Here we have accessed console. We have accessed the console, and in the similar way, we have a console dot console dot log of string. We have used any type, Raghavendra, or my name, and hello world, anything, any string you can access. You can mention any string in the console, like hello world, and multiple values. We can use multiple values. So console dot log of uh, one number we can place, and um, one string we can place, and we can use one boolean, true or false. We call it as boolean. And so here we can access multiple values. Log a variable means we have variable constant. Constant is the variable, and x is the variable name. Constant is the variable, and x is the variable name, and it has value, and it holds using this constant. This variable will holds with the help of name as a container. A constant will act as a container, and it will holds the value. 100 is the value of x, and it will holds by the variable. So we can access this using console dot log of x. X is the variable name. So we have access to this as 100. Okay, and this like this um, we can access this variable value, and consoling an error. So by using this, by holding, by accessing the methods of error and warning symbols, using the console also it is possible. And one is console dot error. Error is the thing, we can give the alert as alert. So we can get the error symbol by accessing uh, as an alert. we can get alert is the string, and this is the symbol we are getting by using console.error. So the by this we are accessing this symbol. And for warning is also one special symbol is there, that is console dot warn is the method, and inside that we can give as warning. uh, okay, so we can access the warning symbol by using warn method in the console. So it is warning symbol. Warning is a string. Normally we have placed the string to explain, to understand, for the understanding purpose. We have written a string. Okay, load an object as a table. So um, two main things we can implement using this console, and one is a suggestible thing, and another one is not suggestible thing. First, in the way of writing of an object. Suppose here I'm writing one suggestible way of writing an object like constant person. Person equal to um, person equal to name, and name is Raghava. It has sorry, we need to use the comma. We could not use semicolon inside the object. Okay, one between one object to another object we need to use comma only, not semicolon. And we have one is email is the object key, and value is the email. Raghava raghava, um, 08 at the rate of email.com is the second object key and its value. So we have to access using the console.log. So like this is the way console.log of person is the whole object content it will be displayed by accessing the person object name as a person in the console. It will print total content of the object. Let's see here. Raghava 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 08 at the rate of email.com is an object. This is the suggestible way to write an object and consoling an object. This is the suggestible way. This is the best way to write an object. Here the another way, it is a temporary way. For testing purpose we can use this way, like constant log of constant dot log of um, inside that. And we have used name as, sorry, just one second, we'll check. Here some error is throwing console.log off. Okay, what it is, sorry, just I didn't return the console. Instead of console I have written constant, so that's why it is throwing error. So console dot log off um, so inside the console log I need to write keys and values. First key is the name, and the value is Raghava, Raghava 2. Why I'm mentioning the 2 here? Already I have written 2, but any duplicate values it will print, but for the understanding purpose I'm mentioned, just I have mentioned 2. Why? Because both the object values should not be same. Why? Because we should avoid the confusion while we are learning. So that's why I have given the number here. Raghava, let's consider this one as Raghava 1 and this is Raghava 2. And another key is email, we need to mention, or else this is also not suggestible. Email is not fine. Phone number, phone number, mm, phone number is also not fine. Age, age is the age is the 34. And so like this we can do the consoling. We can console the objects like this, and this is the way Raghava 2 and age is 34. This is not a suggestible way to access the object values, object keys and values. Okay, this is the uh, temporary way to test the objects. Is that object is accessible, is that object, just to check for some of the purposes we can check in that value in that way. So we have different types of console commands, like console dot log off, um, console dot log off. So instead of log we can use group. Okay, group, this is one method we have. And this is simple. I have written one simple is a string in this console, so it will reflect as a simple and simple. And another way is console log of x. Why? It's already I have initialized the variable name and its value. Variable name is x equal to 100. Already I have already given the name. Okay, this is here the console log of x is the I'm consoling, just I'm accessing that value what I have implemented previously. So here I have saved that and 100. And the same way I just access the error symbol and warning symbol. Console dot log off, console dot log off, not log off. Instead of log we can take it as error error. uh, so inside this I need to write a string as alert. So we can access the error alert is the string. And we can access the symbol. And we can write the console dot warn. Okay, you if you have written the warning it will not take. Okay, but inside the log we can write the string as warning. Okay, warning. So why? Because for the understanding purpose of that particular symbol, so I'm introducing that as warn. So warn is the inbuilt method to access the symbol, either if it is error or warning, warning symbol. So you can see that as alert and warning. Okay, this is the thing. And so these are the things we can use. And finally we can check with style as a css style. And we can where we can mention a style we can mention a variable as constant, and for that constant, style is the variable name, and for that we can give the css elements, mm, padding, and we can access these css elements. um, we can access these css elements like in the console. In the console we can access these css elements. Background color, just I'm giving just for the understanding purpose only I'm writing, not um, background color. It is one element of css, so I'm giving white color just normally. Hmm? Okay, it's not mandatory, just testing, for the testing that console will take or will not take, just we need to check that. Okay, so just I'm trying to understand you the power of console in javascript, how it will works. So if what you will take or what you will give, those things will reflect in the console of browser console. So uh, this is the thing. I have written the variable value as by using the elements of css, and now I'm just accessing those uh, console dot log of. um, so inside single inverted commas, I need to write c hello. Just I'm returning here. I didn't mention c is not mentioned in the any other declaration, any other variable declaration. I didn't mention c, but it will print that c in the console. Hello world is the I didn't mention anywhere, but I have given the string as hello world in at the uh, starting of this file. So hello world, it will print automatically, and similarly we need to write styles. So styles is style, not styles. Okay, so this is the thing. Just we are accessing this style elements. Okay, so here see hello world, padding, these are the css styles also we can access using this console. So right, and here the thing we can use, the basic thing is the console of javascript. So and similarly I just want to explain the commenting of javascript, how we will do the comments for particular single line and multi-line. So for the single line, um, like this, and for multi-line, um, we can comment like this. So for single line, this is for example, just I'm writing one single line. This is single line comment. Okay, this is a single line comment. And for multi-line, we can use a number of lines. If we have written a number of lines, we can do multi-lines. Okay, um, like this is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Okay, and for understanding purpose, just I'm writing a number of lines in the same C. this is these are the lines I'm writing under this comments. So the JavaScript interpreter will not compile these lines, and it will these are the lines will be hidden up. So see how I have written for single line for every concept while I'm writing. Predefinedly, I have written the comments before starting of every line of code related to console log. So these lines will not be compiled in the interpreter, so it will not read by the JavaScript. So uh, these are the things we can do as of now by using this JavaScript. So this is the basic level of JavaScript, and you can follow more videos about the JavaScript and daily to daily routine, and I will explore more concepts related to JavaScript and HTML5 and CSS3. All right, thank you.